In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract leads from Bing Map using Xvoox Map Scraper. Now let's get into it. Now, one of the best features they have is Autopilot with multiple keyword search. That means I can search multiple keywords at the same time. So I can search restaurants, doctors, supermarkets. I'm going to put in an example here at 2 miles radius. I'm going to hit and hit start. And just watch how it just starts scraping automatically by itself. And voila, it's complete. And just like that, it is scraped all those keywords within 2 miles radius. So also let's take a look over at export settings so we could export different columns. Filter out businesses with the same phone number, which is very useful. So let's dive into browse mode. So what we're going to do is start browse mode and just move along on the map. And you see it's automatically extracting data as we move along on the map, which is very sleek and simple. Once you're finished collecting leads, you could download it as a CSV file and a JSON file, which is very great.